Will you make me a pop-up book later?
I will do that.
Cousin,
Yeah, cousin.
it is the last show of the season!
We got mixed reactions about that.
It's so bitter.
Oh my God, Sunday fun day.
It is Sunday fun day. We've had some fun today.
We had so much fun
I'm
today.
so glad the weather's this way. Look at all the people. I can't.
Oh no, cousin, I'm getting nervous.
Oh.
Yeah, I can feel it in my tummy.
Are you getting nervous, Poops?
Yeah. Cousin, I think we need to do a song.
Yeah.
A song. You know that song? The one that makes me by the end feel real courageous.
Oh, the medley.
The medley.
Yeah, the medley.
The one we put together for my mom.
For your mom, yeah.
All right, you think they want to hear it?
Yeah, I think they do.
All right, you guys, this is a medley that we wrote for my mom. It is based off of her favorite musical. We like to call it The Sound of Drinking. Now, there is always that feeling that you must clap after the first song, but trust me, you don't need to. You'll know when to clap.
The
Are you
clap's
guys ready?
contagious.
So, knock it off! Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right,
Okay.
let's do it.
Guinness is great, and we love Lederhosen.
At times we like wine and some drinks that are frozen.
But Gold Pilsner Stout and Red Even the Queen. These are a few of our favorite things. Hangovers, bite after bee stings that don't make us feel sad. We simply just wake up and keep on drinking, and then we don't feel so bad. Half of ice. Half of ice. You look happy to quench me. Nice and crisp past my lips. Bless this wench mouth forever.
Dough, the stuff that buys my beer. Ray, the guy that pours my beer. Me, the wench that drinks my beer. Fa, a long way to the beer. So, I think I'll have a beer. La, 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 beer. No thanks, I'll have a beer. That will bring us back to beer.
This is the song of a wench in need.
This is my favorite part.
Beer, drink a beer, drink a beer.
Right here.
Fill up our mugs with this much head, please. Beer, drink a beer, drink a beer. Soon all the kegs will all be empty. She'll drink the beer, drink the beer.
Right here.
She'll chug a beer.
Or maybe 20.
Beer, chug a beer, chug a beer. Chug, chug a beer.